This specific error message specifies graphics device removed. The GPU is not responding to any more commands. This is probably because an invalid command was passed by the calling application. It's one of the common errors among PC gamers because it indicates that there is an issue with your graphics card and you'll have to fix it manually to resolve such an issue. So, without wasting any more time, let's jump into it. Method 1. Update your graphics driver. You should try to update your graphics driver. It's the most basic fix for most game errors. You are able to easily and quickly update the same from Device Manager. If Device Manager doesn't detect the latest available version for you, you may need to search on the manufacturer's website. Be sure to choose only the driver that is compatible with your Windows version. Method 2. Disable GPU overclocking. Though disabling the GPU overclocking option can reduce the gaming performance a bit, it can reduce the bottleneck issues too. Make sure to set it to default mode using tools like Aorus Engine, MSI Afterburner, etc. Method 3. Reduce texture quality and other graphics settings. If in case your game is still having the same issue, then you can try reducing the texture quality and other graphics settings from your game to check for the issue. Sometimes it also depends on your gaming device, because if your PC hardware is less powerful, then you should lower the graphics settings to minimum or medium. Method 4. Set an FPS limit. Make sure to set an FPS limit for your WWE 2K22 game on the PC via NVIDIA Control Panel if using NVIDIA GPU, or via the in-game settings. So, do accordingly and try keeping the FPS count to 60 for optimal performance. Method 5. Run the game as administrator. You should also run the WWE 2K22 game in the windowed mode from the in-game settings menu so that you can understand whether the problem is fixed or not. Method 6. Change future frame rendering. If you're an NVIDIA graphics card user on the PC, then you can set the future frame rendering to value 1. Some players have reported that it can fix this particular issue. So, if none of the methods worked for you, then try uninstall and reinstall the graphics drivers to check if that helps you to fix the game issue. If this doesn't work, I sadly cannot help you. The best thing you can do at this point is wait the latest patch from developer.